Hi, I'm Sheila Balgobin, also known as the Dream Decipherer, and I was having a problem with my YouTube channel. Despite posting material and he analyzed my YouTube channel and found out that the problem was that my SEO score was very, very low. So he contracted with me to do some work on my scores, on my YouTube channel rather, to see what could be tweaked to improve the score. When he started, the SEO score on my YouTube channel was 25. When he finished, it was 68, which is a clear improvement. And I have noticed since then that there has been an upswing in traffic, and I'm sure that that will improve even more over time as I continue to work with him to tweak my YouTube channel further. So a big, big thank you to Muhammad and Dreams. So thank you again, and I look forward